Hi, I'm Josh from Capstone Landscape Management, Grand Rapids, Michigan. We have the PU 300 on the back of an F-150 we use for downtown routes with smaller mowers, smaller base. Really sets us apart from the other areas around us, other competition. We can do more lawns in a day, saves us a lot of time and money.
Hey, it's Luke from New Lenox, Illinois. I picked up a PU 200 series in the springtime of this year, 2024. I've had nothing but great results with it. Easy to turn around in neighborhoods, no trailer, so I don't have to worry about registration or tires or having somebody jackknife a trailer potentially and ruin the back of your bumper. It's super easy to use. For lawn mowing yards, I believe that everybody should have one of these. They're relatively affordable, super easy to install. I did it by myself with just a second set of hands to put on the back portion. But other than that, it's a great design and it works excellent for the use.
All right, so my name is Ryan. I've been working with the P100 ramp rack for the last 2 years, and it's a game changer. It really is. A lot of people say they don't like trailers, and if you don't like a trailer, the ramp rack, especially the P100, is where it's at. I do residential work, and it makes such a big difference. But I'm Ryan. I'm out of Huntsville, Alabama, and I work for Green Cove Lawn Care.
Hi, I'm Colin with Ohio Valley Lawn Care from St. Clairsville, Ohio. We have the PU 200 series, and we can't say enough good things about it. It saves so much space. You get in places so much easier. You don't have to worry about the extra tires or anything on your trailer that you have to mess with. You can add on to it or anything that you need. It's perfect for any small business or bigger business.
Hi everybody, my name is Jake Cleveland. We're here at the Equipment Expo in 2024 here in Louisville, Kentucky. I just wanted to let everybody know I have a PU 200 I purchased last year. For my business, it has saved me several hundreds of $1,000s in maintenance, trailers, equipment, tow vehicles. I can put it in one truck. It does what I need it to do. I can put both mowers in it. Go to work. This rack saves me several hours of maintenance. No brakes, no wheel bearings, no tires. Downtime costs several $1,000s a year in tires, brakes, and maintenance.
Hey, my name's Brad.
I'm Chris.
We have the PU 200, and we love it. We can get in and out of tight spots without a trailer and no mess.
Very easy, very good, very convenient.
Hey, my name's Patrick from Taylor, Michigan. I own Sutter's Landscape. We've got 3 of the PU 200s that we run full-time, 5 days a week. I love the lack of man hours in the sense that we save a lot of time pulling up the houses, parking. We can actually back these up the driveway, drop the ramp in their yard. So there's almost zero time walking to and from the equipment. With the quick disconnects, every now and then if you're in a pinch and you need an extra truck to pull the trailer, we can just drop the ramp, throw a hitch on, pull the trailer. It's not that big of a deal. It's a couple guys, couple minutes. And overall, we really like them. Probably be adding on a 4th one this coming year.
Okay, it's Pat from Earthworks Lawn and Tree Service in Dartmouth, Massachusetts. And we're here today to show you the PO 200 ramp rack system, which we have one and we're very happy with it. The reason it works for us is because we can fit 2 machines in there, get into parking lots. Parking is a problem in some of the HOAs that we have where there's places that we're not allowed to get into. We can fit into smaller driveways, less breakdowns, less tires, etc., etc. And it's basically a rolling billboard. Everybody that sees it, basically, when I stop at gas stations, convenience stores, whatever, they ask me about it. What is that? Where'd you get that? What's going on with that thing? It's cool looking. So I feel like it's a short amount of money for what you get, and it works very well. So we're here to check out more and maybe add another addition to our fleet. So thank you, Ramp Rack, for all you do.
Hi, Steve with Smith Family Services out of Muncie, Indiana. We purchased a ramp rack PU 200 last year at the expo, and we really enjoy it. It gives you a lot of versatility, especially if you're in a neighborhood and you've got a smaller smaller set of roads where you need to be nimble and get in and out, and you don't have the room to turn a trailer around. Makes it really convenient. We've put a Ego electric push mower up on the rack. We've got fuel can and weed eater mounts on it, and it's just done a great job for us.
Hi, my name's Kyle Dean with Dean's Lawn Landscape. We're located in Cincinnati, Ohio. I've got the PU200 ramp rack system. I absolutely love it. Gets into really tight spaces. We can fit multiple mowers on the truck, and it's the best equipment out there.
My name is Daniel, the owner of Sunat Outdoor Services from Dallas, Georgia, and I have the PU300 ramp rack unit. Drove up to West Virginia, picked it up myself. Absolutely love how I can have full confidence putting a new guy on it, even a 16-year-old, 17-year-old driver. No worries about them trailer, messing it up, jackknifing anything. Less tires on the road, less plates on the road. And then for all those properties that are right on the street where they don't necessarily have or in a neighborhood, you can actually pull into the driveway, which is a lot safer. Highly recommend.
Hi, my name is Nick Houston from Norfolk, VA. Work with our 4 green alternatives. We actually have the PU200 ramp rack system that is kind of like this one right here, but it's got a shelf on it. Makes it a little bit easier to put a bunch more onto your truck bed. It makes it really easy to, especially for residentials or just small lots, to hurry up, put like a 48-inch zero turn on, take it off, do your job, and get out of there. It's one of the most efficient tools, I could say, that I use on a daily basis.
Hi, my name is Tyler with AlphaCare Plus. So I bought the sport unit about a year ago. It completely changed everything because I do a lot of small residential properties, and basically I don't have to worry about the U-turns and having to worry about all that, as well as jacking your trailer. So that's happened to everybody. So that completely prevents that. Super easy for the gate to pull down and for you to get your equipment up. Definitely recommend it.
Hi, I'm Conor Layman with Mulbros Lawn Care. I have the PU200 ramp rack model. I love the ramp rack because I don't have to pull a trailer. I can fit both my mowers and all my equipment. It's one of the best investments I've ever made.
Hey, my name's Christian. I'm from Greenville, South Carolina. Capstone Landscape Management. We run the upstate of Greenville, South Carolina. That's what you need to know. We have the PU200 in blue. It's a pretty amazing thing we've been adding on all of our trucks for quick stops. One of the best features is the top rack up here where we can store a lot of equipment, and then up underneath still gives good space. So definitely recommend it. I would definitely check them out, and yeah.
Hey, I'm Kyle Greider out of Nashville, Tennessee, and I work for the Turf Doctor. We've got the Sport on a couple of our vehicles, and it is so easy and fantastic to use. I can pick it up with one hand while I've got the backpack sprayer on me. It's a no-brainer.
Hi, my name is Gabriel with Prime Lawn Care and Landscape. We're down in Estill County, Kentucky, and we have the Sport model of the ramp racks, and they just made our whole job easier. We got rid of the trailers, and that's mainly what we use now.
Jordan Bergen, Cincinnati, Ohio, with Bergen Lawns. We have the PU300. It's really easy to use, backing into driveways, don't tow around the trailer. We run a 48 and a 61. Yeah, it's just really nice and easy, pulling out of drive-thrus, houses, different stuff like that.
My name is Sean Rose. I'm here at the Equip Expo with Ramp Rack, looking at all their cool features. One of my favorite features on my P2, she'll let you know which one it is the door. Super simple. One finger down, you're up, you get your stuff. When you're done, just throw it up and go. It's secure, that's not going anywhere. Love Ramp Rack.
Apollinaire Acevedo, Go Green Lawn Services, Marpole, Louisiana. We also service Baton Rouge. We use the Extreme Rack for the ramp rack system. It's a lot easier, a lot simpler than pulling a trailer, especially for the newer neighborhoods that you don't have much parking place. And this is all we use for all our vehicles.